How to make a PDF from images on PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on any PC you have, with any amount of images you have as well. So for this instance, I'm going to be using these three images on my desktop, but they can be saved wherever you want. So what you want to go ahead and do is hold down Control and then select whichever images you want, or obviously just highlight them like this if they're all together. Then once highlighted, right click on any of those images, and then I want to go ahead and look for the print option. If I don't see it, go ahead and press show more options like so, and then I'm going to see print as one of the options. Now, as you can see, there's 3 different pages. And if it's like currently on a printer or anything like that, all I want to do is Microsoft Print to PDF. Now it's going to show the 3 pages. And then all I got to go ahead and do, I can change the, how many images I want on pages or anything like that. Or I can just do full page photos. Then all I got to do is press print. It's going to ask me where I want to save it. So let me just save it to desktop. I'm just going to name it test. Press save like so. And then all I got to do is just, name it or whatever. And then that's it. It's then going to be saved on my desktop and you'll be good to go.